Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete method to fix video call issues on your Poco M8. If this video has helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now let's begin and resolve the issue.